In this video, we'll show you how to use time quantization. In the past two videos, we've explained how to record MIDI with MIDI controllers. If you record MIDI notes by playing them, your timing might not be perfect. To correct this, you can apply time quantization. This will adjust the timing of your notes to the rhythmical grid. After recording, double-click the clip to open the detail view. Select the notes you want to quantize. Now go to Edit, Quantize Settings, or use a dedicated keyboard shortcut to open the quantize settings. Select your quantization grid. 1/16 is often a good default. You can also adjust the quantize amount. A setting of 100% will create a perfect timing. A lower setting will place the notes in between where you play them and the perfect position, to keep a human feel instead of a more robotic one. To quick quantize a selected item, go to Edit, Quantize, or use the dedicated keyboard shortcut. Now you have learned the basics of quantizing MIDI notes.